1-minute vlog. My daily diet hacks for a healthier you. Diet hacks. Staying healthy can be easy with some simple diet hacks. Here are my top 3. Meal prep. Spend a few hours each week prepping your meals. This saves time and helps avoid unhealthy choices. Plan your meals and make grocery lists based on them. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Hydrate. Start your day with a glass of water. It boosts metabolism and keeps you feeling full. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Consider drinking herbal teas or infused water with lemon or cucumber for a refreshing change. Snack smart. Switch junk food for healthy snacks like nuts or fruits. They're delicious and keep your energy levels up. Prepare single-serving portions to avoid overeating. Keep healthy snacks within reach, like keeping a bowl of fruit on your desk or carrying a small container of nuts in your bag. Try these tips and feel the difference. Want to learn more? Visit our website.